Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping your iPhone and acting now. Open Settings, confirm location services is on, then launch Compass. Once launched, grant location permission if asked. This lets the app read heading and position. Make sure to remove magnetic cases or cards because they skew the sensor. If the app requests calibration, rotate the phone in a figure 8 until the marker stabilizes. These are the first actionable steps to get an accurate heading and visible coordinates immediately. Once done calibrating, read the top number for degrees and note the cardinal direction label. You use degrees when precision matters and cardinal letters for quick orientation. Tap the screen to lock a heading. This holds the bearing while you walk. Make sure to switch to map view to see your position relative to streets. If you tilt the phone, you'll also see incline. That helps when navigating slopes. These middle steps explain what each readout means and how to keep a steady course. To finish, verify the heading by comparing with a landmark or map. If readings jump or are off by tens of degrees, recalibrate by rotating the phone again. Make sure no magnetic interference is present. If problems persist, toggle location services off and on, then restart the iPhone to reset sensors and permissions. As a final troubleshooting tip, move to a different spot away from large metal structures or electronics. This often fixes interference immediately and restores accurate compass performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.